Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to discuss about introduction to carbon element. In this class, discuss the primary information about carbon element. The first point is the carbon element was discovered by Egyptians and Sumerians in the year of 3750 BC. The carbon element they are discovered before Christ in the year of 3750. See here. The first point is the carbon element was discovered by and Sumerians in the year of 3750 BC. 3700 BC. The carbon element was discovered by Egyptians and Sumerians in the year of 3750 BC, before Christ. And the second point is the word of carbon is derived from Latin word. The word of carbon is derived from Latin word. See here, the second point is the word of carbon is derived from Latin word. It is carbo. It is carbo. Carbo means coal. Carbo means coal. So, the carbo, it is a Latin word. The carbon is derived from carbo. The word of carbon is derived from carbo. It is second point. The word of carbon is derived from Latin word. And third point is the position of carbon element in periodic table. The position of carbon element in periodic table. The position of carbon element in periodic table. Almost 118 elements present in periodic table. Then 4 blocks, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. And also 7 periods and 18 groups are there in periodic table. So, the position of carbon element in periodic table, that is second period and 4th A group and P block element. P block element. The carbon element is the position in second period, 4th A group and P block element. It is non-metal. It means non-metal. It is non-metal. Do not conduct heat and electricity. And either malleable nor ductile. So it is non-metal, do not conduct heat and electricity, and either malleable nor ductile. So the carbon element, the position of carbon element is second period fourth A group P block element. It is non-metal, so it do not conduct heat and electricity. And atomic number is 6. Atomic number is 6, and atomic weight is 12.0107, and valency is 4. It is equal to the group number. The valence is equal to the group number, and the carbon element solid at room temperature. It is solid at room temperature, and melting point is 3550 degrees Celsius, and boiling point is 3800 degree Celsius. It is 3800 degrees Celsius, melting point 3550 degree Celsius. It is a solid at room temperature. And the carbon element to form isotopes and allotropes. The fourth point is the carbon element to form isotopes and allotropes. See here. Carbon element to form isotopes and allotropes. First see isotopes in carbon element. The carbon element, it is 15 knowing isotopes from C8 to C22, but it is found in 3 isotopes only, that is C12, C13 and C14. Only 3 isotopes. It is found in 3 isotopes only, that is C12, C13 and C14. So in isotopes, the same element and same electrons, protons, but different neutrons is called isotopes. Is called isotope. The same element and the same electrons. In this C12 and C13 and C14, 6 and 6 neutrons and 7 neutrons, C13 7 neutrons and 8 neutrons. It is same chemical element. It is same element and same. Protons plus electrons are same but different neutrons. Different neutrons is called isotopes. And allotropes. Allotropes. In this carbon element, the chemical existence of chemical element two or more forms is called allotropes. See here, the existence of chemical chemical element in two or more forms is called allotropes. The existence, the chemical element, the carbon element existence two or more forms, but the best is it is familiar allotropes, carbon allotropes is diamond and graphite. This diamond and graphite. It is a familiar allotropes, carbon allotropes is diamond and graphite. It is a 3D shape, diamond in 3D shape and graphite is 2D shape. The structure, it is carbon, diamond, graphite, it is graphite 2D shape. So carbon in diamond in carbon and it is also carbons, but it is different. It is two or more. The allotropes are to form two or more. It is diamond and graphite. In this sp3 hybridization, in sp2 hybridization, it is tetrahedral shape and trigonal shape. So diamond and graphite. And also other allotropes, fullerenes C70, and fullerite C540, and amorphous carbons. It is examples of allotropes. So allotropes are the chemical existence of chemical element two or more forms is called allotropes. It is the primary information about carbon element. In this topic, we discuss about carbon element. It is primary information. So the point is the carbon element is discovered by Egyptians and Sumerians in the year of 3750 BC. And the carbon element is derived from Latin word. Its main carbo means coal. And the carbon element to form isotopes and allotropes, mainly three isotopes, C12, C13 and C14, and allotropes, it is familiar, is diamond and graphite. The position of carbon element in periodic table is second period, fourth A group, P block element. It is a non-metal. So the carbon element do not conduct heat and electricity. It is about carbon element. In this topic, the primary information about carbon element. So please subscribe my channel Chem Class Academy. You will get new classes in the form of notification. Thank you very much.